Hey guys, Mason with PMP. And when it comes to cleaning, you want a tool that's powerful, versatile, and easy to use. That's where the DeWalt 60V Max Power Cleaner comes in. With up to 1000 PSI, this is perfect for a wide range of light-duty cleaning tasks, whether you're at home or on the job site. This level of pressure hits the sweet spot. It's strong enough to blast away dirt and grime, but gentle enough to protect delicate surfaces. Use it to wash your car, clean your outdoor furniture, or even freshen up your bike after a muddy ride. It's not just for cars and furniture. It's great for cleaning trash cans, rinsing down small decks, and even tidying up tools and equipment. It's your go-to solution for all those everyday cleaning tasks around the house or job site. One of the best parts, the DeWalt Power Cleaner runs on the FLEXVOLT battery system. These batteries automatically adjust between 20 volts and 60 volts depending on the tool you're using. This makes this 9 amp battery a 3 amp hour battery while running on 60 volts, but if you use it in a 20 volt, it's a 9 amp hour battery. This means fewer batteries to juggle and more time getting the job done. It doesn't matter where you're cleaning. The DeWalt Power Cleaner adapts to your needs. Connect it to your garden hose for jobs around the house, allowing for quick and easy to use power in just a few steps. Not near a water hookup? Use the self-priming suction hose to draw water from a fresh source like a bucket or a lake, making it perfect to clean up a dock or keep your boat looking good. Either way, you're ready to go. With 4 quick connect nozzles like the turbo nozzle, the 15-degree nozzle, the 25-degree nozzle, the 40-degree nozzle, and the included foam cannon, the DeWalt Power Cleaner gives you all the options you need. Whether it's stubborn dirt, everyday grime, or delicate surfaces, there's a nozzle that's just right for the job. The foam cannon makes applying soap fast and easy, giving you a deeper clean every time. Comfort matters, especially when you're cleaning for a while. The adjustable shoulder strap helps you carry the cleaner effortlessly, and the 2-speed selector allows you to switch between maximum power and longer runtime. Speaking of runtime, you'll get up to 37 minutes on a single charge. Plenty of time to handle most cleaning tasks. When you're done, everything packs up neatly. The Power Cleaner comes with a long wand, 4 nozzles, a foam cannon, a suction hose, and even a storage bag to keep it all organized. It's an all-in-one solution built for convenience. The DeWalt 60V Power Cleaner combines power, versatility, and convenience in one reliable package. Whether you're a professional or a homeowner, it's a perfect tool to keep your world clean and tidy. Power through dirt, grime, and debris anytime, anywhere. If you liked this video and found it informative, please give it a like and subscribe. And also check out the DeWalt Power Cleaner in the description below.